Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and if you are dropping your AirPods all the time like I do, you're gonna need a good case for it. This is the MOBOSI AirPods case designed for AirPods 2 and AirPods 1, and I like that it really protects the entire case, but it's also designed perfectly so it doesn't mess up with you opening or closing the case. I really like that it has a keychain on the side so you can just tag it to your set of keys and just carry everything with you. As you can see, it is flexible, but it's also strong and sturdy so it protects the case. I really like that the case doesn't come off at all. Unless you really try, then it really is easy to take it out. So if you're looking for a very good quality case for your AirPods for a good price, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.